हेलो एवरीवन, मैं विकास कुमार स्वागत करता हूं आपके अपने चैनल एडोमिनिया पे। तो बेसिकली इस वीडियो में मैं रॉबर्ट बॉश की तरफ से आए हुए वेलकम किट को अनबॉक्स करने वाला हूं। तो रिसेंटली कुछ दिन पहले आई वाज द पार्ट ऑफ द प्लेसमेंट प्रोसेस ऑफ रॉबर्ट बॉश and recently I got placed in Robert Bosch. So 6th of August was my joining date and after 2 weeks I'm working over there. So yesterday I got my welcome kit. So in this particular video I'm going to unbox all the things and show you what are the accessories and the other components I got along with my laptop. Okay. So particularly in this video I'm going to show all the things, and in the next video I'm going to talk about what was my placement process and what are the different steps, what are the interview questions, HR questions, all the things I'm going to cover in the next video. But in this video I'm going to show all the things. So yesterday I got this huge box in which there are multiple components. I'm going to show what are the components I got. So firstly, if I open this, there are some protection over there. So this is my personal lappy. I'll open this, but before going to show my official lappy, this is the bag I got from the Robert Bosch, and under this bag I got some other accessories, like this is my headphone and this is a mouse. Okay, ये एक बैग, एक माउस जो कि वायरलेस है। अगर इसे ओपन करके दिखाऊं तो ये वायरलेस माउस, ये एक हेडफोन। इसके अलावा ये मेरा ऑफिशियल लैपटॉप जो उन्होंने दिया है। ये बेसिकली लेनोवो का थिंकपैड है, जिसका मैं एक लुक आपको दिखा देता हूँ। सो या दिस इज द वन आई गॉट। तो इसकी यदि मैं कुछ इंटरनल लुक दिखाऊं तो जस्ट वेट अ सेकेंड। तो ये कंप्लीट लैपटॉप है जो कि ऑफिशियल लैपटॉप मेरा है, कंपनी की तरफ से मेरे को दिया गया। इसके अलावा कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग दैट आई गॉट अलोंग विद माय लैपी, हेडफोन्स, माउस एंड बैग। दिस इज कॉल्ड HR वेलकम किट. So here you can see the logo and the complete name of the company that I got placed, Robert Bosch. So once I open this, I got some multiple things that really excites me, and definitely if you are a fresher, then definitely welcome kit inspires you a lot, because this is the thing that makes you feel comfortable and feel confident that you are also equally important for any organization. Because as a fresher, when you're going from the college to corporate, that matters a lot, and you start feeling something special when you got this type of accessories as a welcome kit. So these are the greetings that I got. One diary, there is one pen, sorry, and along with this I got one water bottle in which logo and the name of the company is written over there. So this is one of the things that I liked, and that's the most thing that I like the most, that is the LED speaker. So this is the most important thing you can say that I love the most, because it has a speaker feature and it has a LED feature. So if sometimes I'm working at the late night, so I can use this, and there are multiple features. This is the brightness color. I can make it turn bright and more bright, and there are some other color I can getting over here. So there are some colors I can get. So this is the most important thing that I felt that is very important to me, and this is a really cool thing that I felt. Okay, so this is the thing, and this is the sanitizer automatic bottle. This is a Swiss military automatic. So here I have to put some liquid or sanitizers, and this is automatic sensor attached over there, where I can only place my hand under this and it will automatically detach some liquid. So this is the all thing I got. So mostly company like Robert Bosch is my second company, but officially it is the first, because I'm going to work long with this, and in the last company I just worked only the 1 month, and in the next video I'm going to tell you what was that company and why I left that and what is the process, and this is the last company is also very big that I'm going to tell you in the next video. So this is the all thing that I got. If I assemble all the things, you will get a look. Just wait a minute. So This is the real giant over here. Yeah. So this is the complete unboxing, the complete thing I got from the Robert Boss. And thank you, Robert Boss, for this amazing welcome kit. It really inspires me and really make me feel comfortable and more confident that I will put my 100% in the contribution of toward my company. So thank you. And if you have any doubt and if you want to say something, please check out my description box and you can comment down below. So with this we will end up this video. यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, क्योंकि इसके अलावा बहुत सारे कंपनी के एक्सपीरियंस मैं शेयर करने वाला हूं इन अपकमिंग वीडियोस। तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन दबा ले ताकि कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन आप मिस ना करो। तो चलिए यहाँ पे हम लोग वीडियो को एंड करते हैं। अपना ध्यान रखें एंड लास्टली थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।